Hello and welcome to IB Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 28th chapter of Grade 8 English Grammar. And our topic is words often confused. These are those words which have same sound but they mean different. Sometimes they have same spellings but different sounds and different meanings. For example, there, there. They all have different sounds, but sometimes when we speak them too fast, like there, they all sound similar, but they have really different meanings. So there are such group of words in English language because we have so many words and we often confuse them or misuse them. Using a wrong word can totally change the meaning of the sentence. This is what we will study in detail in this lesson. And before the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify commonly used homophones, differentiate between homophones and homographs, apply knowledge of homophones and homographs in writing and communication. Homophones are those words which sound similar but have different meanings. Homographs are those which have same spellings but they have different sounds and different meanings. Before we start this lesson further or we go deeper, let us understand this example. I need to write a letter to my friend. Make sure you use the right address. Right. They are homophones. They have same sound, but their spellings are different and their meanings are totally different. I need to write a letter means I need to write it. I need to do it in written. You make sure you use the right address. That means which is the correct address. So meanings are different, spellings are different, but they are homophones. They sound similar. Homophones and homographs. Homophones are words which have similar sounds but different meanings and spellings. Homographs are words having the same spelling but different meanings and sounds. Here in this book, you have a list of some common homophones which you can go through in detail. We will revise few words out of this list in this video. Like peace. Now this is a piece of paper, a piece of cake. This piece is, there should be peace and not war. This is like a peace, a commemoration or togetherness. Cast. This is the bowl is casted with iron. There's an iron cast, right? Caste. Her caste. This is a group in the society. Kettle. Fair. Accept. Bridal. Scene. This scene is beautiful. I have seen this many times. So scene, this is a scenery of something. Scene, this is the form of a verb. Advice. Here. Allowed. Counsel. Break. Cereal. This is a series of number or a cereal. This cereals is a food, right? We eat it. Ring. Which. Pale. Story. This is a story, a life story, an autobiography or something. This is a story like a multi-story building, floors, when you have floors in the building. Week. Principle. Course, and so many. So all of these words, they have different meanings, but they sound so similar that we often confuse them in sentences. Like throne. The king is sitting on his throne. He has thrown water on her, right? So throne, this is a king's pedestal. This throne is throwing something. You can use dictionary to find the correct meaning of these words as well. But practicing these and using them in your sentences is the key to understand all of these homophones, and you will always remember them when you start using them correctly. So go through this table, use a dictionary and try to make lot of sentences from each of these pairs. Now we will look at some words which are often misused. That means we use these words accidentally. That means we often misuse them. Like accident is misused with incident. So incident is something when something happened, an incident, right? It can be an incident of coincidence. It can be an incident, a happy incident. But accident is something when something bad turns up. So that is accident. And incident. Incident is the event that happened. But accident is when the two trucks collided or when the two people collided with each other. So that's an accident. Farther, further. Further is used when we're going further in something, right? When you are going in a series and then you're going further, not backwards, like forward and further. Farther means you're going at a distance. Adapt, adopt, adapt. So adapt is when you get comfortable in a situation, but adopt is when you take something, with you or when you adopt someone, right? Similarly, illusion, illusion. Hear, listen, right? So hear is something when you heard, right? When you are hearing, that I can hear a sound, I can hear a thunderstorm. Listen is when you're actively involved. That means you're listening attentively. You're listening and you're understanding what you're listening, right? So hear and listening. Now these are not homophones, not homographs, but we just use them incorrectly in our sentences. We can say, I heard my teacher. That means you have not listened to her carefully. You've not followed what she was or he was saying. So listening is when you're actively involved and also understanding. Here is something which you're just hearing, like I hear sounds. Battle, war. Banish, exile. Ill, sick. Immigrant, emigrant. Imaginary, imaginative. Beautiful, handsome. Handsome is often used with masculine gender. Beautiful you can use for beautiful for nouns, for feminine genders as well. Judicious, judicial. Ingenious, ingenious. Climate, weather. Continuous, continual. Contagious, infectious, right? So infectious is when you can get infection from something. Contagious is when that infection can be spread around. So that is contagious. Look, see. Crime, sin. Custom, costume, custom. Even I have misused it. So costume and custom. Costume is when you use the particular attire. Custom is when you follow a set tradition. Popular, populous. Regular, punctual. Refuse, deny, discover, invent. Illicit, illicit. Drown, sink. Tall, high. Rent, hire. Salary, wages. Eligible, illegible. Eligible is when something is valid. Illegible means when something cannot be understood, when something is outrightly wrong. Famous, notorious. Eminent, imminent. Ride, drive. Rain, rain. Steal, steal. Suit, suit. So for this exercise also, I would want all of you to take out your dictionaries and find the meanings on your own. Try to use them in your sentences. That will help you to differentiate both the words correctly. We have discussed few words here in this lecture video, and the rest of the words you can study and differentiate them correctly. So that was all about words often confused and misused. Thank you so much for staying with us. Stay tuned for our next video lecture. Thank you.